We are about to embark on a 10-day tour of the Croatian coast that we have booked through the Katarina Line's land tour. There are 10 of us and our driver for the trip, Bojo. But first we are making a stop on the way to Zadar to Plitvice Lakes. I'm Mike Dalton, and this is Dalton's Detours. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and the oldest national park in Croatia, Plitvice National Park is vibrant and vivid. The sound of water rushing and the clearness of the lake is striking. The park sits almost right between Zagreb and Zadar, so this was the perfect stop on our way to our coastal tour. Our guide Jelko was going to lead us down to the lakes.
And before I begin, I'll just hand you these. These are your tickets, so don't lose them. You might need to show them in certain spots and areas. You.
My first no drone sighting. With its exceptional natural beauty, the area has always attracted nature lovers. The lake system consists of 16 lakes cascading one into the other with waterfalls and convenient plank walkways. So this is the big fall? Looks big to me. So our tour guide is very informative so far. He's doing a nice job. And we're kind of heading down towards the lakes now. But actually it's like completely clear water.
I start questioning that person. Work.
It's so loud.
Yeah, it's got
Oh wow.
almost prehistoric vibe.
Yeah, it really does.
It's kind of like the bottom of the Grand Canyon.
It's like the Lost World.
Yeah.
Here, you and I go. You go first.
Flowing and the gray spots are the ones that will never get any water. So you can see that when it's at its maximum, the waterfall goes all the way from this line to this line, and it's absolutely massive.
Definitely crowded overall, but definitely worth seeing. I would suggest, as we didn't really have this option, but to show up right when the park opens, because it's pretty crowded right now.
See the change in landscape here. So lower lakes are very narrow with like big cliffs on either side of it, and then this suddenly just opens up quite a lot. And this is also the largest and the deepest lake in this national park. This lake is 47 meters or 155 feet deep at its deepest point.
Okay.
So it goes all the way down to the bottom. That's how deep it is.
I hate it when that happens.
Yeah, it's absolutely. I hate the lakes that go all the way down to the bottom. I wish they stayed somewhere in the middle.
Through the tour, about an hour and a half in, done the big lakes. We're now to kind of a souvenir shop area. Looks like there's a giant line for the boat, so I'm going to guess we're going to walk. Oh, apparently it's not bad.
But before we do that, would you like 20 minutes here just to relax a little bit?
I would say you make sure you come early. I don't even think this is considered very crowded, and it's pretty crowded. But apparently nothing like a weekend. But according to our tour guide and some other people that have been here, you should definitely come when this thing opens. Now, we didn't have a choice, but we come from Zagreb. So we did manage to take the boat ride and came across to the other side of the lake. So now we're going to take a shuttle bus to our final little section where we will then have a higher view of the lakes. So we're heading there right now. So looks like this is about a 3-hour tour of the area, and then when we're done, we're heading to Zadar. This was a perfect stopover on our way to the coast. A nice walk, amazing guide, and an immersive scenic experience. This is Dalton's Detours.